What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda, and you're watching another episode of WhatchaCookinGlenda. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so that you are updated every time we upload a video. Don't forget to like and share. And comment, y'all. I like to read the comments. I actually enjoy reading the comments. So make sure that you comment because I do respond back. And as you can see by the picture that you see on your TV screen, we are doing the viral, okay? This video has gone viral on TikTok. The viral TikTok cinnamon rolls. That's what I'm calling them. Viral TikTok cinnamon rolls, where we're using the Pillsbury Grands cinnamon rolls with the Cinnabon cream cheese. And so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do, I have some melted butter right here in this bowl, and I use Smart Balance butter. Use whatever butter floats your boat. Okay, this is just what we're using. All right, and I've got my baking pan here, my casserole dish, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to add a little bit of butter to the pan just for non-stick purposes, I guess, which is probably not going to stick. It'll probably be just fine. So this can of cinnamon rolls only has 5. So we're going to do 2 and trying to fill up this big casserole dish. And so what we also have that's going to go in this is some heavy cream. We've got some cinnamon. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Some cinnamon. Y'all saw the melted butter. We're going to add some brown sugar, and then I'm going to put a little twist on it, and I'm going to add pecans to mine. Okay, so right now you should have your oven preheated at 350 degrees because these are going to go in for 30 minutes in the oven, 350 degrees, and we're going to be covering them. We're going to be covering them with foil. Let's pop these babies open. Let's just open them up and pull them out. Let's see here. Y'all can see that these are the canned biscuits. It's supposed to be like a little hack. It's supposed to, they are supposed to increase in size and be nice and fluffy, just like they came straight out of a bakery. So we're gonna see what they do. I got husband over here salivating already. That's one can, and then you have your cream cheese that's at the bottom. So when you're opening it, make sure you be careful that you don't spill your cream cheese. That's your little cream cheese. So we'll put that to the side. And we'll open up the next one. All right. So now there's our rolls right here. All right, show y'all the whole little picture there. There's our rolls. I'm gonna put these to the side while we do our butter and brown sugar and vanilla and cinnamon. Now, I don't remember. Y'all know I eyeball stuff, so I don't remember any measurements. But this is probably about a stick of butter melted. We're gonna add in our brown sugar. And we're going to add in our vanilla. This is the vanilla I'm using. Use whatever you use. But ever since, I think Risa probably hooked me on to this, I have not changed. I have several bottles of this Molina Mexican vanilla blend. So just add that's about a teaspoon, I suppose. Add as much vanilla as you want. They're your cinnamon rolls. And then we're going to go in with some cinnamon, because you can have cinnamon rolls without a little cinnamon. So we're just going to mix it up. And I am going to say right now, I will tell you, I have too much butter in this. So y'all see that it should be a little thicker. Definitely should be a little thicker. So I'm going to add some more brown sugar and hope. Y'all, this is my first time doing this, so in hopes that that's gonna help. Add a little more. All right, so we're gonna put that to the side. Now I've got some heavy whipping cream right here that I already shook up a little bit. You don't want to shake it too much. And we're just gonna pour it all down in between the cinnamon rolls. If some gets on it, that's fine. But you don't want all of it. We don't want all of it, okay? So the next thing we're gonna do is take our cinnamon roll filling that we made, and I'll start just to show y'all. I'm definitely gonna just pour this on here, but I'm just gonna show y'all that part right there. Yep. Let's just pour it on each one. Each one gets a little bit or a lot of it. All right. Of course, we didn't use all of that. Now, for me, I told y'all we're turning it up a little bit. We're going a little bit, just turn it up a little bit. And I got some pecan pieces. I'm just going to drop them. Drop it right on there. Right over the top so that they bake in to those cinnamon rolls. OMG. Now, if you don't have pecans and you have walnuts or something, use walnuts. Use what you have. Use what you got to get what you need. Now, these are going to be covered and they're going in the oven, 350 degrees. Look at that. Look at that. O-M to the G. What? You better watch yourself. My God. Go ahead, babe. I know what you want to say. It look delicious, don't it? No, you can't. Raw. You just eat it like this. Nice and tight. And to the oven we go. In 30 minutes, I'm going to come back out. We're going to apply the cream cheese and maybe a few more pecans. I don't know yet. And then we're going to try these. So we're going to see y'all in just a minute. Okay, so we are back. It has been 30 minutes for our viral sensation Tik Tok cinnamon rolls. So let's take our foil off and hope that these are done. Because we haven't looked at them at all. Oh my God, y'all. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, check that out. Ooh, you better call your mama and tell her what we doing over here. Call her. Ooh, period. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. OMG. Y'all, these cinnamon rolls smell absolutely divine. I'm trying to get some pictures. Y'all, look at them cinnamon rolls coming from up under that foil. Ooh. Now let's put the finishing touches on this thing. I thought I was gonna need some more pecans, but I don't think so. Let me get the cream cheese so we can pour it over the top. Let's do this. I'm gonna start right here just cause. Ooh, that's in the camera. Lord have mercy. The fireman ain't gonna get it. Somebody call the law. You can light a fire without a match. You can catch a fish without a hook. You can make a blind man see. Let's get up. Plate. We're gonna put one on a plate, y'all. And I think I better use this one. Let's get this one right here in the middle right here. I was trying to let it sit a little bit, but I probably should let it sit just a little bit. Oh my God. Y'all, take a look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Come on over here to the plate. Hold on. And look what's left in that pan, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Look at that filling. Oh. Now, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. And we're gonna taste it. We're gonna taste it. Now, we're not on camera today because we just chilling today, y'all. So we looking like we looking today. But we gonna taste this thing. Oh my God. Look how soft and delectable that looks. I don't even need to add any more pecans. That looks amazing. I don't even wanna. I gotta have the first bite. You know what? But I love my husband. Y'all get the first bite. I love my husband though. But y'all get the first bite. Look at that. Oh. But I'm giving the first bite to my husband. Now, y'all ain't gonna get to get his little camera because he running around here with no clothes on and stuff. But y'all can hear him. Hey, I'm good. Good. Man. A-okay or which one? He did a put it with some milk. Y'all, he did a thumbs up and a good. So he might have been a little confused. Now I'm gonna try it. Oh my God. Y'all better call y'all mama and tell her what we doing over here. It's all about the feel good over here. My God. Listen. Tik Tok, y'all might have had something right here. I put my little twist on it with my pecans. And if y'all want to see more videos like this, you know what to do. Subscribe. Hit the post notification bell. Select all so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. We're going to see y'all in the next one. Because we about to devour these things. Curtis better hurry up and get on back home. We'll leave him 1 or 2. It ain't gonna be. He still will leave him 1 or 2. Listen, we'll see y'all later. Bye.